Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. If there's one defining vegetable for fall, it has got to be the pumpkin. This pumpkin pizza, it's going to change your mind.
Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Tonight is a pumpkin pizza night. Yes, pumpkin pizza. As we all know, pumpkin is for more than just spice and coffee, drink, but this pumpkin pizza is a fun dish that is perfect to an easy way to impress this fall season. So, what are you waiting for? Let's begin!
Pumpkin is in just about every single one of the best autumnal dishes. You've got your pumpkin pie, your pumpkin bread, and your pumpkin muffins. But wait! What about savory squash? The pumpkin pizza deserves some pumpkin love too, right? Season the cheese pumpkin evenly with the olive oil and salt. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees, then roast until the pumpkin is tender and caramelized around the edges for about 45 to 60 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the pizza dough. Let's start by proofing the yeast, which means mixing together water, sugar, and yeast and letting it sit until it becomes foamy and bubbly for about 5 minutes. On the other hand, let's prepare 2 cups of the flour. Then add the yeast, followed by 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix until a ball begins to form. Dough will still be slightly sticky. Transfer to a floured surface and knead into a smooth dough, adding up to 1/4 cup extra flour if needed. Just to let you know, I'm still a beginner in learning kneading the dough. By hand will be an essential skill if you don't own a stand mixer. Push forward and fold in half, push away, repeat for approximately 10 minutes. There is a top and bottom of dough. The top will be smooth. Place in a bowl. Lightly grease the dough with olive oil. Cover and let rest for 60 to 90 minutes or until double in size. While dough is resting, let's transfer the roasted pumpkin to a serving dish. Scoop out pumpkin pulp. Then puree with an immersion blender. Next, let's fry the sage leaves. Add 1/2 teaspoon of butter. Fry until it becomes crispy. After 2 hours, it is ready when you press into the dough and it leaves a slight indentation without bouncing back. By the way, I'm preheating the stone pizza. The correct oven temperature for a pizza stone should exceed 500 degrees if possible.
Homemade pizza dough makes the best. Just to let you know, the last time I made pizza, it was 5 years ago. So, stick with me. Let's poke the pizza dough. Wake up dough. Then you can add some olive oil around. There There you go. Next, let's add the puree pumpkin. It's looking good. Have you tried pumpkin pizza before? Let me know if you did. So we are using a smoked sausage, and I already torn into small pieces. I smell the smoky sausage. It's really good. This makes me hungry already. Next, we're gonna shred Gruyere cheese. So Gruyere cheese melts very nicely and has savory flavor. The range of flavors starting with sweet and ending with nutty and earthy. This cheese doesn't blister easily, making it a great cheese for any pizza. Alright, let's shred some cheese. Spread around. I just thought about why not just do this. Oops, wait. Just do this. Pizza, pizza. Cheese, cheese. It's raining cheese. I want more. Ooh, looking great. Should I put more? Let me know. Say stop. Please stop me. I want more. I think this is enough. It's a great exercise. It's a great arm exercise. Alright, and after that, fried sage. If you couldn't find sage, you can also use parsley. But sage is best combination of pumpkin. There you go. Hands up. It's baking time. I forgot the parchment paper and it's so hard to take it. Uh-oh. I told you this is my first time after 5 years. Oh, ho, ho. This is gonna be hard. Uh-oh! Alright, multitask. I need to think how to do this without breaking it. Can I just make it a calzone instead? Oh man. Struggle is real. Okay, ready? Oh, I'm gonna break it. How can I do this? Okay. Please forgive me. Whoa!
That was a big relief, as I was been trying it for about 10 minutes. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. Fall is in full swing and it's perfect season for pumpkin pizza. A pumpkin pizza, a cozy and delicious one that will please everyone. And of course, the star here is definitely the pumpkin pizza sauce.
Wow! It's really good. Wow, so delicious. I was craving for pizza and I did manage to create this pizza with using my favorite fall ingredients like pumpkin, sausage, and sage work together well. You must try it. Wow, so good. I want more. Wow, I'm surprised. Pumpkin is really good. That is Cooking Simply Delicious.
Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!